What else is he?
Oh crap.
Dog.
A dog? What kind of, is he a boy or a girl?
A boy.
A boy. Are you a boy or a girl?
A dog.
What's daddy, a boy or a girl?
A boy.
And what am I?
Mommy.
I'm mommy. What is Uncle Josh?
I can Josh.
He's Uncle Josh. Is he a boy or a girl?
A boy.
And what about Ivy?
Abby are the girl.
A girl, very good. What about your baby brother? Yeah, is he a boy or a girl?
A boy.
Very good.
No, a baby.
A baby.
My baby.
He's just a baby.
Only my baby. Only my baby. A baby.
Like a baby? That'd be good.
Only my daddy. Only Ethan did my baby brother.
Ethan's gonna lick your baby brother?
Yeah, Ethan, don't do my baby brother.
Don't do that about my brother.
And mommy, and you, my baby brother, and my baby, and then my baby brother die.
He's gonna cry.
Yeah, don't die, baby.
Come here, look at me.
Don't die, you baby brother.
Don't cry, you baby brother.
Okay.
Yo, shh.
She's got to defend her mommy.
My brother.
She's got to hold her mommy's hand and stuff on the ice, make sure she don't fall.
My brother, a baby. Not. My brother, a baby.
Yep.
Mommy, a baby.
Come here.
You baby.
One day I'm a baby.
Yeah.
Yep. You were my baby.
Yeah. I the baby.
You remember when you were in my belly?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
Yep.
I'm a mama. Hi. I'm my armpits.
Your armpits. Look at your dog.
Up in your armpits.
Ethan, you funny doggy. It's a funny dog.
He's a funny dog.
Yeah. And that's it. Ethan, that's funny, Daddy. Ethan's a boy.
This is a good.
Ethan, in my face.
He licked on your face.
No, knees.
Oh, he sniffed
Yeah, in my face. In my face.
in your face.
I did. Ethan, don't hit my face. Like this. See?
What is that?
A Barbie.
Your Barbie. What kind of Barbie?
Pink.
A pink Barbie?
Yeah. See that pink and see that? I bet they do.
It's really cute.
No, there's
Oh, a bathing suit.
I bet they do.
Oh, very good.
I need a pink one.
You want a pink one like that?
Yeah. Only my blue one need the blue one.
Your baby brother needs a blue one. Very good.
Yeah, in my water, pink water. Different.
Yep.
My water need a hair. That's this.
No, he won't have pink hair.
Why?
He'll have hair like you.
That's this hair?
Just like that hair.
Yeah. Mommy water dance. Wait. My baby.
What are you doing?
I found my pink brush.
Your what?
Pink brush.
The pink brush.
Yeah.
Do we help her get her pink brush?
Where is it?
I want my baby. This.
Here, baby.
Oh, there he is. What do you say?
Hold on. Let me put my baby.
Well, look at me. I want to see you.
Let me rub my hair.
Okay. Oh, it's beautiful.
Man, it is getting cold outside.
Oh, stop. Hang on. There you go.
Thank you, Mommy.
You're welcome, baby.
Mona, I want my baby here.
You brush your baby brother's hair.
Mona, my baby just in my lap.
On your yap? He's going to sit on your yap?
Yeah,
Do a
in my-
somersault. Wow, good.
A boot. A boot.
You're what?
Boot. A boot. A boot. Boot.
You pooped?
Boot.
Bolt?
Yeah.
Your bolt?
Yeah. My apple.
Oh, like.
See?
Yeah.
I'm rolling.
You're rolling?
See? I'm rolling really fast.
You're rolling really fast?